How to remove people and objects from photos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Google Photos application on your phone. Once you're here, select the photo you wish to edit from your library. With the photo open, tap on the edit icon at the bottom of the screen. This will bring up the editing tools. Swipe and tap on the Tools tab to view more options. From the available options, go ahead and select Magic Eraser. The app will automatically find suggestions for removal. Tap on Erase All to remove the suggested objects. You can also manually circle or brush over any other unwanted elements to erase them. Once you are satisfied with the edits, tap on Done at the bottom right corner. Finally, tap on Save and tap on Save as Copy to save the new version of your photo. Following these steps, you can easily remove people and objects from photos on an iPhone.